Academy for Creative Teaching presents.
Namaste. Wondering why we are having broken cup and broken vases? They're about to tell us a beautiful story. It dates back to 500 years ago. Japanese legend tells us a story of a mighty shogun warrior who broke his favorite teacup, and he sent it to China and other parts of the world to fix it. It came back fixed with patchy metal clips. He saw it, it was usable, but he felt it lacked its original glory. It lacked the spirit that it had originally. So he called a local smith and said, "Do something about it, fix it, but in a way that it brings back its original glory and original form." Now the smith thought, how can something broken be brought to its original glory? It's broken. But he did something beautiful that none of us could think of. He took the glue to join all of this but mixed gold powder in it. All the glue held the pieces together, but it did not look patchy. It illuminated with gold. And he called it Kintsugi.
Spelt as Kintsugi, is an ancient pottery of Japan. If you look at the Kintsugi artworks, they are ceramic bowls, broken at many places, joined together by gold-colored glue.
In Japanese, kin means gold, sugi means repair. He did a golden repair and a golden joinery. And what lesson does this tell us?
There's a philosophy behind this Kintsugi. The vessel is broken. Each piece is not useful by itself because it's a broken vase. And all the pieces are joined together and finally powdered with gold powder. And this gold lacquering has given a new image to the bowl. Now the bowl is useful. Remember, each piece was not useful, but the bowl today is useful after joining them together. It looks attractive piece of art. But why is it done? There's a philosophy behind this Kintsugi. Please remember, none of us are perfect. Nothing on earth is perfect. We always say God is the only one who is perfect. We have imperfections in our body, imperfections in our style, imperfections in our behavior, imperfection in our relationships, or language, or my dealing with my people around. There are lots of imperfections. But we are imperfect. Nobody is perfect. How do I make myself feel good about it? Yes, I know how to join these imperfections and become better. Can I join these imperfections by the glue of resilience and become strong and capable? That is the mission of Kintsugi.
In life, we feel broken, we feel like we've fallen down, we feel we are tired, but Kintsugi teaches us anything broken can be fixed, anything fallen can rise up, and it tells us about resilience.
And secondly, I am proud of my imperfections. I don't have to feel bad about it. Remember, sometimes my imperfections are my strengths. Therefore, Kintsugi tells you, don't feel inferior because there are imperfections in you. Join your imperfections together by the glue of confidence, which glows like gold and makes you a top-class person and a man contributing to the society.
This was taught to world leaders and cancer patients. The world leaders loved it and said, "Yes, in my business, I have fallen down. I have been broken down, but I stood up and I continued to deliver. I am a proud Kintsugi." Cancer patients were made to go through this Kintsugi art workshop. At the end of it, they realized, I am broken, but I'm put back together. I am a proud Kintsugi. And that's what ACT wishes to do and hopes to do and is continuing to work in this direction. We take different pieces of the society, adults, parents, children, educators, society, and put it together with beautiful thoughts, beautiful learning. So Dear friends, in life, when you feel you or the system around you is broken, instead of complaining, let us bring beautiful thoughts and beautiful solutions to join everything back together. And that's what ACT wishes to do. Please join us in this journey of Kintsugi. Let us do golden joinery of our society. Thank you.